Today we will discuss modulus of a complex number. What is meant by modulus of a complex number? Suppose you take a one complex number, that is z. Z is equal to x plus iy. What is the real part of it? X. Real part of complex number is x. What is imaginary part? Imaginary part of z equal to y. Real part of complex number z equal to x. Imaginary part of complex number z is equal to y. Okay. Now you take a organed plane. What is the difference between a Cartesian coordinate system? Okay. Cartesian coordinate plane and organed plane. In a rectangular Cartesian system, both x-axis and y-axis are real axis, but in organed plane, x-o-x dash is called x-axis and y-o-y dash is called y-axis. Okay. Now this complex number z we can represent in a plane if suppose x greater than 0, y greater than 0, definitely its value is x comma y. It is the complex number. Z is denoted by a point. Okay. Now what is meant by modulus z? Modulus z or absolute value of z. What is meant by modulus of z? We will discuss now. Get ready. See, you take it is a perpendicular distance from z to x axis. This is called y coordinate. This is called x coordinate. Just to drop the perpendicular from complex number to x axis, it is denoted by m. Now zm value is y coordinate. Y coordinate is nothing but an imaginary part, and this is wrong. See, from O to M, it is horizontal distance. Distance from point to y-axis, perpendicular distance is called x coordinate. Horizontal distance is called x coordinate. So x coordinate, what is it? X. In our complex number, that is real part of z. Now you find the distance from O to z. Can you find? Yes, by using Pythagoras theorem. Yes or no? This is OZ square equal to what we get? OZ square equal to OM square plus OY square. Now observe, OZ is equal to square root, OM square is nothing but x square plus y square. Okay, this is a OZ distance. This you called as modulus z. Modulus z is equal to root over x square plus y square. This is called modulus or absolute value of complex number z. Okay, it is always a real number because here x is real and y is real. No, complex number definition is both x comma y are real numbers. No, so that value is not only real but also only positive real number, non-negative real number. Otherwise, can take 0 also. No. Both x code, both real part, integral part, both are zeros. That time absolute value of z you will get 0. Okay, good. See, this is called absolute value of the complex number z. Mod z equal to root over x square plus y square. One problem I will give you, do it. What is the modulus of z is equal to 4 minus 5i. What is the modulus? Can you find? Yes, easily you can find. So, mod z is equal to, what is the formula? Root over real part whole square plus imaginary part whole square. What is the real part? 4. What is the imaginary part? Minus 5. So, you will get 4 square 16 plus 25. So, what did you get? Minus 5 whole square plus 25, no? Minus 5 into minus 5, 25. So, what did you get? 41. So, now modulus z value is root 41. So, now we will discuss properties. Okay, observe now, mod z value, how much you got it? Root 41. And what is the real part of z here? Observe, real part of z is equal to 4 and imaginary part of z is equal to how much? Minus 5. Yes or no? Imaginary part of z. So 4 is nothing but a root 16 only, no? Minus 5 is nothing but a root 25, no? ఇక్కడ మాడ్యులస్ మైనస్ 5 తీసేసుకున్నా ఏమవుతుంది మీకు? ప్లస్ రూట్ 25 అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? లేదు మైనస్ 5 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఎంత? 25 అండర్ రూట్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు గమనించండి, ఈజ్ రియల్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ జెడ్ స్మాలర్ దెన్ మాడ్ జెడ్ ఆర్ నాట్? ఎస్, వెరీ గుడ్. Real part of z always less than or equal to mod z, and imaginary part of z also less than or equal to mod z. ఈక్వల్ టు ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? ఏమైనా డిసైడ్ చేయగలరా? ఈక్వల్ టు విల్ గెట్ బోత్ ఎక్స్ అండ్ వై ఆర్ జీరోస్. 0 ప్లస్ 0 అయి తీసుకున్నాం అనుకో, రియల్ పార్ట్ జీరోనే, ఇమాజినరీ పార్ట్ జీరోనే, దాని మాడ్యులస్ కూడా ఏమవుతుంది? జీరోనే అవుతుంది. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాపర్టీ నెంబర్ 1. రియల్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ z ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు అబ్సల్యూట్ వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ x. హియర్ యూ ఫైండ్ z, no? Now you find out z bar. What is the z bar value now? Say me. Z bar is nothing but a conjugate of complex number. ఎంత వస్తుందన్న? జస్ట్ ఇమాజినరీ పార్ట్ సైన్ బి చేంజ్డ్. ఇమాజినరీ పార్ట్ సైన్ చేంజ్ చేయాలి మనం. అదే మాడ్ జెడ్ బార్ కదా, 4 ప్లస్ 5y, అవునా? సో ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేద్దామంటే z1 ఇంటూ జెడ్ బార్ మీరే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. మీరు క్లాస్ థ్రిల్గా ఫీల్ అవ్వాలి అంటే ఆపేసి మీ ఓన్గా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. చేశాక మళ్ళీ చెక్ చేయాలి, అప్పుడు మంచి థ్రిల్ ఉంటుంది. సో జెడ్ ఇంటూ జెడ్ బార్ చెప్పండి. 4 ప్లస్ 5i into 4 minus 5i. Okay, now you multiply both. A plus b into a minus b formula, a square plus b square. Right ana? Exactly right for complex numbers. Enduku cheppandi? 5 5s are 25. Okay, I into I square value minus 1 kada. In complex numbers, a plus ib into a minus ib is equal to a square plus b square. So that's why 4 whole square plus 5 whole square. So what did you get, Nana? Answer? 4 square value is 16 plus 25, that is equal to 41. Z into Z bar value. Mod Z value, how much you got it? Root 41, no? So that's why. Now mod Z whole square, how much? Root 41 whole square, that is equal to 41. So what did you get? Z into Z bar equal to mod Z square. Excellent property this is. Mains advanced questions also comes by using this property. Okay, right. What is the second property? Z into Z bar is equal to mod Z whole square. This is the property number